Let's add some cozy Christmas magic to the kitchen today. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm decorating my Christmas hot cocoa bar and coffee station, and I cannot wait to show you all the cozy vibes I've added this year. I'm starting with the hot cocoa bar, and for the past few years, I've styled this corner the same way, but this year I'm bringing a soft pop of green into my main living area, so I've decided to sprinkle a little of that into the kitchen as well. So in this corner, I like to create a tiny gingerbread house village, and I'm using some of my gingerbread houses that I've collected over the years. The brown ones are from Pottery Barn, the white ones are from TJ Maxx, and the mini clear and metal houses are from Target. To give everything some height and dimension, I've layered the houses on 2 cake stands. And then to tie in green accents this year, I've added these ceramic Christmas trees. They're from Hobby Lobby, and I love how they bring a subtle festive glow to the setup. A new addition to this space this year is this gorgeous Christmas tree cookie jar from Hobby Lobby. It blends so beautifully with the other pieces and adds the perfect little statement moment to the hot cocoa bar. Now right next to the mini village, I've added a 2-tiered marble tray that will hold Christmas mugs that my family can use to make their hot cocoa. And these mugs all match the gingerbread theme, but they're all different shapes and sizes. Now some of these mugs I've had for a few years, and some were newly bought this year. So the Nutcracker mugs and the stackable mugs are from Target. The white Christmas tree mug is from Joann's from a few years ago. The brown gingerbread house mug is from Hobby Lobby this year. And the Papa Noel mug is one of my favorites, and that mug is from Glitterville. Now this Christmas tree is from Pottery Barn, and it matches the cookie jar perfectly, and while I'm using it to style the space, it's actually a mug with the matching lid, and it will be used as a mug as well, but for now I'm just going to use it as decor to style that corner of the tray. I got this glass Christmas tree jar from Target a few years ago, and they have brought it back the past couple of years, and this year I'm using it to hold my marshmallows for my hot cocoa bar. I found a set of these beautiful gingerbread man glass cups, and I decided to use one of them here in this space to hold the candy canes for the hot cocoa bar. And then the last item I'm putting on this side of the station is this jar with this chocolate hazelnut finishing sugar that everyone can sprinkle on their hot cocoa. Now the last item I'm adding to this hot cocoa bar is this beautiful sleigh that I got from Michael's a few years ago. And you can find similar ones at Michael's every year, or even Hobby Lobby and Home Goods and TJ Maxx. But I like to use it to hold the hot cocoa packets for the hot cocoa bar. And I like these double chocolate ones from Starbucks. Now I almost forgot, but I found these gingerbread cookies at Walmart and I needed to add them to the cookie jar. If you ever run into these cookies, they're so good. I definitely recommend. Please grab them while you can because they always sell out every year. Now on both sides of my stove, I have kept the theme going by adding a marble riser shaped like Santa's sleigh and Christmas themed cutting boards on each side. You'll see me try to test out different mini gingerbread houses, but ultimately go with the smaller one. And I have added pops of green here with different ribbons of different textures, a green tree, and you'll see me add new green kitchen towels as well. I hope this gives you a little inspiration as you start decorating your own hot cocoa bar or coffee station for the holiday season. And let me know in the comments what theme or color you're decorating your kitchen with this Christmas. And if you've enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. Also swipe left and hit the hype button. It all helps my channel so much. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!